Hi, I'm Eric, and I'm going to show you how to use your BR48. Wear a tight shirt, sports bra, or go shirtless because a loose shirt will get trapped under the balls. You'll see me holding each position for a couple seconds. That's done to keep this video short, but I want you to hold each position for a minimum of 12 seconds. We're going to start by using the two tracks that have the widest track divider, as shown in the video, and make sure to start with the softest massage balls you have. Note that the massage balls should not touch your spine. You'll be positioning yourself so that the massage balls roll on either side of your spine and your head will rest on the track divider. Lie down with the balls in your hands and the body track a few inches beyond your head. Now reach up and place your fingers in the corners of the track and snug yourself up to the track so it touches your shoulders. Place the balls in the two tracks with the widest spacer and hold the balls in place against your shoulders with your thumbs. Now scoot your feet up against your rear and lift your torso and rear in the air. Then roll up onto the balls by pushing a little against your feet. Clasp your hands together and raise your arms up to point at the ceiling with your elbows locked. Now you're ready to start counting with your shoulders level. You'll count to a minimum of 12 and until you feel the pressure begin to fade somewhat. If you count to 60 and the pressure hasn't faded yet, stop and switch to a softer massage ball to reduce the pressure. If you want more pressure, lift your torso and buttocks. This will increase the pressure by applying more of your weight on the balls. Let's go through a really good complete routine for the back now. After you've counted to at least 12 with your shoulders level, rotate lightly to one side so you feel more pressure on one massage ball. Count again until the sensation fades, and then roll slightly in the other direction and count again. Then come back to center and extend your hands over your head to point behind you. Count. Now point them a little to the right, count, and then a little to the left, always holding each position while you count. Next, unclasp your hands and wrap your arms around your shoulders, pointing your elbows to the ceiling and count. Then rotate a little to the right and then a little to the left. Now you're ready to roll another inch to a new position further down your back. You'll use the same procedure used for getting up on top of the balls. Make sure your rear and torso are lifted and push a little against your feet to roll about an inch further down your back. Then go through the same routine I just showed you until you get down near the bottom of your shoulder blades. As you get down near your mid-back, you'll notice that raising your arms and pointing your elbows up won't increase the pressure any longer, but the body track still works really well on your mid and lower back. If you need it, you can always get more pressure with harder balls in the mid and lower back area. Instead of rotating your shoulders, you'll find that by rotating your hips, you can alternately apply pressure on one side and then the other, just as you did in the shoulder area. After you've worked your back from shoulders to waist using the adjacent tracks, let's repeat the process spacing the balls so there's one empty track in between them like this. This is a very powerful massage, so be careful to use the softest massage balls you have. Remember, counting is critical. If instead you just roll around, you'll be wasting your time. That's the equivalent of bouncing while you stretch, and it doesn't work. Wherever you feel the most tenderness is where you want to count the longest, because those are the areas where you need the most work and where you'll benefit the most from applying pressure and waiting for the relaxation. Lastly, I'm going to show you some other creative ways of using the BR48. You should feel free to try out your own ideas too. Pressure heals, and you've got the tools now to accomplish at home what elite physical therapists provide in their offices.